Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show you how to remove a payment method inside Pandora. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Right, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, depending what you're on, open up any internet web page and then head on over to pandora.net, and then from here make sure you're signed in and then click on your user profile. So I'll go ahead and sign in now. And then click back on the user profile and you've got my account, my details. What you want to do is click on cards. And this is where all your credit card information is saved. At the moment I've already removed my card information. So if your credit card details are here, just go ahead and click on it and then click on remove, and that's how you remove your payment method from pandora.net. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.